Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Codex Repo sync issue. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix, close ChatGPT with Codex right here, or even VS Code if you're running it under VS Code. Right-click and exit out under your taskbar as well. Once done, go to find your date and time. Right-click and click on Adjust Date and Time. And make sure that both set times are automatically and set time automatically are both enabled. Once enabled, click on Sync Now. Wait for the process to finish, close this one. And then after that, we are going to open up ChatGPT or VS Code, if you have it right there, okay? And make sure that Codex is available or selected. Once done, go ahead over to your profile at the bottom left, click on Settings. And then we are going to find Configuration. Scroll all the way down, find Workspace Dependencies, diagnose issues within Codex Workspace, or diagnose it. If it looks healthy, well, we're good to go. And after that, go ahead and test it out. If not, go back to the settings and reinstall the workspace. Once that's done, you should be good to go. If that doesn't work, go back to the app, go to plugins right here. Make sure that GitHub is properly installed. Just install it, continue to GitHub, and just log in with your account. Once that's done, click on three dots right here. Now go ahead and click on Manage. Scroll down, find under apps, we have GitHub, access repositories, issues, and whatever. Click on the drop down, disconnect it for now. And then there will be a pop-up on your browser. Okay. So just disconnect it. And once that's disconnected, just basically reconnect it from here. And also make sure that everything right here is enabled. Once that's done, you should be good to go. That is how you fix Codex Repo sync issue. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.